What's something you wish more people knew about maintenance and reliability?
My biggest thing is, what's the difference between maintenance and reliability? We see a lot of reliability engineers doing maintenance work, maintenance engineering tasks. Reliability engineers shouldn't be involved in the day-to-day. Even looking at a condition monitoring samples, this is one I've kind of argued with people about, but if you're looking at a sample and creating a work order, that's a maintenance activity. Reliability often takes that on because they seem to understand the condition monitoring, but ultimately you're doing something to maintain the asset. Reliability is about looking longer term. Best practice is to not even have it as part of a maintenance department because especially in the mining industry, your operators have such a strong effect on the reliability of an asset. You know, is that operator having a rough day? Is he, taking corners a little tighter? Is he, there's so many different ways you can operate a truck that's driving down the road that's going to impact the reliability of an asset. So if you're outside of that realm of maintenance and can take that operator driven reliability approach, you're going to have a lot of success because that's where a lot of failures happen is just machines are being operated inconsistently and like looking for a way to bring everybody and teach the operators. I loved giving training courses to the operators. At Red Chris, I'd go out. Let's talk about tires today. Let's talk about what makes what makes tires fail. Teach them how it works, and they love it. And it changed the behavior. Some of them, there's always the person that you might not get through to, but you can change a lot of people's mind, especially, engineers. We always get this, engineers, what do they know? So it's, and I think I said it earlier in this podcast too. So getting out there, getting in front of people, telling them how things fail, how things work. People love to know how things work. We all loved building with Lego as kids.